All right, this is a white and black sapphire 605 Cummins. It's got the wide track front axle, 5 Zerk bank, Davco fuel water separator. We do the frames and fenders in a matching color. Sun isn't working with us too well here today. You almost kind of need that radius for that pearl to pop. It's just not popping very good right now on the frame. All disc brake. Really nice driving truck. We like those I-29 blind mount brackets. Gosh, they're just the slickest thing I've seen in 25 years for putting half fenders and double hump fenders on. I really like this Merit deck plate system too. It comes in 10-inch sections, and that way if a person damages it, you don't have to replace the whole thing. But again, the frame is in that black sapphire. Cloudy today it looks black, but it's got a blue pearl in it. So when the sun hits it, it turns blue. But we really have a hard time finding equipment these days. I like nice stuff, and probably particular to a fault, but you know, it's nobody wants to buy a truck that the back of the sleeper's all beat to snot on. And our reconditioning process, I would put that up against anybody in the country. Heck, we're even spending 2 hours today inspecting harnesses, as well as, you know, dumping differentials and transmissions, oil, obviously, air filters, cab filters. We like nice stuff, so that's what we sell.